As a voiceover artist, you may have some concern about how artificial intelligence is overtaking the voiceover industry. Is your career at risk? Your income? Your livelihood? What are you to do? Well, what if artificial intelligence could be your business partner, offering you a stable of voices never before available to you? Let's check out how this can happen to increase your potential revenue multi-fold.
Hi, welcome back to the channel where we play with all kinds of fun creative AI, from art to animation to things like voice cloning, which is what we're looking at today. I did a video on this the other day when ElevenLabs first came out with their speech-to-speech feature, but this video is directed specifically at voiceover artists or people who do that kind of thing for their creative projects, because this blows the doors wide open for creative voiceover artists who are willing to embrace this technology. Because there's a lot of buzz, as you can imagine, in the voiceover industry about AI and it taking over people's jobs. How do I know this? I've been a voiceover artist for 40-something years, and I've watched the panic within the industry rise up as professionals who've been in the game for a really long time are beginning to feel threatened because of this new technology. If someone can just type in their script and get a professional read back from AI, why wouldn't they do that? But here's the reality. Even though the technology is getting really good at inferring emotion from a particular script, if a director has a specific direction, like emphasize this word or put a little bit more of this emotion into it, AI is not ready for that quite yet, but a skilled voiceover actor is. Now let me make it really clear. AI is not going to make a professional voice actor out of anybody who doesn't have the ability to do voice acting. The voice itself is just a small part of the equation. It's can you deliver the message that the client wants in their script. So it's all acting. So this is specifically for voice actors and using it as a real tool to create new voices in your arsenal that you couldn't have done before. For example, what if someone wants a female voice? Well, that takes me right out of the game, doesn't it? Or does it? Or what if they want someone with a British accent, or someone who's older, or someone who's significantly younger? How can I offer those services? Well, AI allows me to do that. So let's dig into that. We're here in ElevenLabs, which was originally created as a text-to-speech engine, or at least it was released as one. And ElevenLabs' superpower is making these voices sound very realistic, with proper emotion, emphasis, pauses, breaths, the whole thing. And you have the ability to upload your own voice or custom voices, or create custom voices, or now access a whole library of voices that you can use in your projects. So here's an example. I've got several versions of my voice cloned in ElevenLabs so I can try different reads. This particular setting is just called Bob, and when I recorded the sample for it, I was just talking like I normally talk. There wasn't really high emotion, I wasn't doing an ad, I just talked like I normally talk. So if I use that model with this script, it's going to sound like this.
Introducing the new Mercado waffle, where luxury meets innovation. Every journey becomes a testament to elegance and precision.
Okay, so anyway, pretty boring, and you wouldn't want to use that for an ad. So what I did was I created another model of my voice where I do read like I'm doing an advertisement. That one's called Bob Ad. Let's listen to the same script with that voice.
Introducing the new Mercado waffle, where luxury meets innovation. Every journey becomes a testament to elegance and precision.
So you can see that there's more energy in there. It's more like an advertisement, but the emphasis is all over the place. And I could adjust the voice settings and play with clarity and similarity and style exaggeration and just kind of do hit or miss to get some variations of it, which we can do right now. So I'm going to take the style exaggeration way up. I'll take stability way down to give it some more variability. And let's just see what happens.
Introducing the new Mercado waffle, where luxury meets innovation. Every journey becomes a testament to elegance and precision engineering.
So it did do something to the style and the read, but it's still not very professional sounding. This is going to be a pretty ineffective demonstration if I keep using my voice as an example. So let's go to some of the voices that ElevenLabs provides in their library and play with the speech-to-speech function, and then we're going to really get into the power of this. So in addition to creating your own voices, ElevenLabs has an entire voice library which you can access by clicking the Voice Library link. I don't know how they think of this stuff. And in here, you've got pages and pages of different voices, which you can, of course, filter. There's one level of filter where you can go, I want a voice that's good for narrative or story, or conversational, or characters and animation, or for social media posts and so on. You can drill down a little further with deeper filters and say, I want a particular category. I want something for professional. I want a female. I want her to be older, and I want her to have a British accent. So let's choose a category like advertisement. We'll unclick narrative and story, and we'll say that we want an older British male. So I can choose old, I can choose the accent, and of course I can choose male. And that's giving us two that fall into the advertisement department. And we can preview them by clicking the sample button here.
Whoso loves believes the impossible.
Or
As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
I don't like those for advertisements. I'm going to uncheck the advertisement and just kind of sample a few others and see what I like.
You can't blame gravity for falling in love.
So that's a nice voice, but it's not really appropriate for our luxury car, the Mercado Waffle.
Wrinkles should merely indicate where smiles have been.
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly.
I do like that one. That's Paddington, and I already have it in my library. So let's go over here to speech synthesis. And instead of doing text to speech, I'm going to choose speech to speech. And then I'm going to choose the Paddington voice from the library. I'm going to click on record. And then this way I can read it with the inflection that I want as a trained voice actor. Now you'll notice that I'm going to put on a British accent. The AI doesn't put that on there for you. You need to do that, which is again a testament to the ability that you have to have at least some skill in this to use this on a professional level. And my British accent is not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. And that's where the AI gets a little forgiving. But let's just check it out. Introducing the new Mercado Waffle, where luxury meets innovation. Every journey becomes a testament to elegance and precision engineering. So I put a lot of spin on that sucker. We'll see what it comes up with.
Introducing the new Mercado Waffle, where luxury meets innovation. Every journey becomes a testament to elegance and precision engineering. Inside, a haven of comfort awaits, wrapped in the finest materials and advanced technology.
So there you go. It's a whole other voice that wasn't mine. Let's choose the one I did use at the beginning because it's even better for something like that. And for future reference, if you ever want to use this voice, it's Valentino.
Introducing the new Mercado Waffle, where luxury meets innovation. Every journey becomes a testament to elegance and precision engineering. Inside, a haven of comfort awaits, wrapped in the finest materials and advanced technology.
That's a nice voice for that one. So let's go back to the voice library and pick something way different and choose a female voice and see if we can pull that off in a realistic way. Because I got a pretty deep voice. So how will the AI do at making it sound realistic? Could I actually do a job with a female voice and get away with it? Let's find out. All right, so let's filter this just for females, and that will save some time.
If one is lucky, a solitary fantasy can
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit.
Either you run the day or the day runs you.
Okay, that's a very different voice than mine. So let's just create a little script that goes with that voice. I want to write a script that kind of matches the emotion that I'm hearing for this particular voice so that I can do something that sounds realistic. So all we got to do is go to the speech synthesis part, go to speech, and keep in mind that I'm reading with this voice in mind. So I'm going to make my voice a little smaller and definitely change my read up. As the snow gently falls and the lights twinkle in the night, we find ourselves wrapped in the warmth of the holiday season. This time of reflection, a moment to pause, allows us to embrace the precious memories we've gathered over the years. Now let's just click generate. The nice thing is it generates iteratively, so it starts playing before it's completely done.
As the snow gently falls.
Now here's something I constantly do. I'll go choose a voice in the library, but then I will forget to choose it from the drop-down settings. So we have to choose Suzanne first, then click generate.
As the snow gently falls and the lights twinkle in the night, we find ourselves wrapped in the warmth of the holiday season. This time of reflection, a moment to pause, allows us to embrace the precious moments that we've gathered over the years. These moments are fleeting, like the snowflakes that vanish upon our...
Okay, so was that believable as a woman to you? Please let me know in the comments. Let's try another one. So this time I'm going to read a different part of the script, and I'm going to use a voice that has a British accent. So let's go back to the voice library. We're going to go to the filters, and we're going to go to female, and we're going to go to old, and we're going to go to British, and we have lots of choices.
All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them.
If you don't know where you are going, you will probably end up somewhere else.
Like these.
You can find yourself by coming into the present.
Okay. I really want to try that one, so I'm adding her to the voice lab. She's Sigrid. We're going to go back to speech synthesis, and for her, we'll just read another part of that same script. As we gather with loved ones, near and far, let's express our gratitude for these times.
As we gather with loved ones...
I forgot again to choose her from the drop-down list. Boys and girls, that's the second time I've told you this because I do it every freaking time. Please don't be a Bob. Her name was Sigrid. I have chosen her now. I will generate again.
As we gather with loved ones, near and far, let's express our gratitude for these times. For it's in these moments that we truly understand the beauty of life and the gift of time. So here's to the holiday season, the time for giving, the time for receiving, and above all, a time for treasuring every precious memory.
Well, it actually felt like my accent got swallowed up. I think it said, look, don't even try. We're going to just gloss over this attempt of yours. So let's do something super extreme. Let's re-record it, except this time I'm going to go a little bit nuts. I'm going to leave the same voice, but I'm going to read it in a completely different way, a little over the top.
As we gather with loved ones near and far, let's express our gratitude for these times.
For it's in these moments that we truly understand the beauty of life and the gift of time. So here's to the holiday season, a time for giving, a time for receiving, and above all, a time for treasuring every precious memory. May the magic of these moments stay with us long after the season has passed. Happy holidays, and may the new year bring endless joy and cherished memories.
So even though the read was over the top, that really wasn't that bad. It actually calmed it down to something that would absolutely be used. You gotta amp it up a little bit for VO, everybody. So let's try a different voice with that same read. Let's see what Edgar's voice does with this.
As we gather with loved ones near and far, let's express our gratitude for these times. For it's in these moments that we truly understand the beauty of life and the gift of time.
Okay, you get the idea. It freaking works well. Let's do something more traditional. Experience power and innovation with the Ford F-150.
Built tough for any challenge, it combines strength, efficiency, and technology. Whether for work or adventure, the F-150 is ready. Drive the legend. Ford F-150. Built Ford tough.
There you go, traditional read. I got to guide the whole thing, and to me, that's a commercially ready and viable voice.
Step into durability with our rugged leather boots. Designed for the toughest yard jobs, they offer unbeatable strength and comfort. Tackle any task with confidence. Get your pair today and conquer the outdoors.
Nice.
Looking for luxury? Look no further than your front yard. We've stolen clothes from the richest women in Hollywood and put them on a golden rack in your yard. That's right, and we've pointed signs to your yard all over the neighborhood. That's right. Everyone's coming to your yard.
You can't just go around making everybody wrong because they don't agree with you. You have your own mind, they have their own mind. Noosh them up together, and no one wants that in the taco.
And now, take a deep, relaxing, cleansing breath. Because if you don't, you're likely to die. And then all of this meditating is for absolutely nothing. So what was it I asked you to do again? Breathe? Did you do it? Or are you too busy listening to these instructions, you silly little ninny?
I am so over the traditional voiceover industry. It's so cliquish. Everybody wants you to know what you're doing and have all kinds of experience. Why can't I just go in there and say, hey, I get a voice, let me read something. I could totally do it, totally.
And by the way, if you don't like what they've got and you don't want to clone a voice for whatever reason, you can also create your own voice. So click on the plus sign to add a generative or cloned voice, and this time click Voice Design. And what you'll get is just a very few options, but with the slider down here, you get some variability. So you can choose whether or not you want a female or a male voice. So let's go for a male voice. Old, young, or middle-aged. I'll go old. We'll choose British again, and we'll just go with this default test phrase. You can type anything you want to in here and generate it and see how we like it.
First, we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter.
Okay, so let's just change the accent strength all the way to 70%.
First, we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter.
So it didn't actually put more accent on there, but the voice went up. So I actually like that voice, so let's use it. And we'll call it Dirk. And I'd describe Dirk as very Dirky and British. Wouldn't you? I would. Now let's go to speech synthesis. Let's go to speech to speech. Let's choose Dirk from the list. And let's give something to Dirk to say. I've been contemplating dinner.
I took all your suggestions, hated every single one of them, and went back to square one. What would I eat if I were someone who ate? What would I cook if I were someone who cooked? And if I had friends, what would they like me to cook if they were to be someone who eats things that people cook?
So I hope with those few examples I've communicated the potential for voiceover artists who have great ability to expand their career in huge ways by being able to offer an entirely new stable of voices that they can throw their skill into that they've never been able to do before. The fidelity on the ElevenLabs voices is pretty good. Now, will the highest of high-end broadcast corporations accept it? I have no idea. You never know what they're going to take. But for the typical voiceover job that you would do certainly for online things, this is a great solution to be able to offer some flexibility. If you're a voiceover artist who's ever been asked if you can do the voice of the opposite gender, or a voice that's older, or a voice that's younger, or in any other way has characteristics that your voice doesn't naturally have, but you could bring an effective read to it, do yourself a favor and go check this out. The investment to try this out is not that big, and I think you're going to be really impressed with the results. It is not 100% perfect. Every now and then you're going to get some words that slur. But you know, when you're reading a script, you don't get it right every time either. So sometimes you have to redo it. So it's finding your way. Is it ready for 100% prime time? Of course it's not. Is it ready for not ready for prime time? I think so. What do you think? I'd love to hear your comments. Do you think it's good enough for professional use? Do you think it's realistic enough? Did the women voices I did actually sound passable as a woman, or am I delusional? Or did I sound just like a woman and I'm still delusional? Here's what to do. If you think I'm delusional, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you don't think I'm delusional, be sure to subscribe to this channel.
If you subscribe now, I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. But if you do not, I will look for you. I will find you. And I